A very good afternoon to all. I am Sushma Sri studying 8th standard in Dr. V.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam, Sulurpeta, Tirupati district.
Very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Idri Sarka. I am studying in studying Dr. B. Ambedkar Gurukulam, Sulurpet, Tirupati district.
Our project is Cultivation in Space. Cultivation in Space is the big dream project of our world scientists. In such a there is a planet and our Earth satellite, Moon and Mars. These two space bodies are very similar to our Earth features, and our scientists are planning to have the life in space. In this process, it takes much time and should need much more financial support because it is so expensive. Coming to this point, the basic need of people is a water, air, food, and shelter. Now, I would like to explain my project. LED. By using the LED, it's not put much heat on plants. Computer fans. By using the computer fans, it gives the coolness to plants. Sprinkle irrigation. By using the sprinkle irrigation, it looks like a raindrops and soil will absorb fastly. And the LDR, the function of the LDR is to make the LED lighting, and it is the when the light intensity is high and the active when the light intensity is low. Actually, growing in a space is a virtual necessity or way to explore the space. And we all know that there is no air, water in space. Then how can we cultivate in space? By using the LED and for a stay subtract with the controlling release the fertilizer to deliver a water, nutritious soil, oxygen to the plant root. Is it possible to live in space? Yes. On International Space Station ISS, and some electric lights or damage the flora development. When it damages the flora development, soil will continuously sweat so that plant can be breathed. And several radiation in space, several radiations kills the seeds.
Space farming. Space farming is the practice of growing crops for food and other purposes in space around extraterrestrial bodies, which is comparable to farming work on them. Food delivered to space stations and other lengthy missions is labor and financially intensive. The idea of producing food in quiet is alluring due to the expense of resupplying, restocking, and impossibility of resupplying is interplanetary missions. And specialized space greenhouse make use of LED, a light porous substrate is control and release fertilizers to deliver water, nutrients, oxygen to the root plant. The plant habitated ADH is a growth chamber on space station which is used for plant research. Colonists who want to research of agriculture will face a range of technical difficulties. Now, a number of different companies are setting up and hoping to lead the food production industry to the runway to space. And with greater yields, more effective production, and closed loop nutrients and water resources that are most disposable make our yields to nation. And in these days, the water will be used in the way to sustain our environment. And what is this farming? What is space farming? Space farming is there are many stations, there are many ways to different colonies or stations in the space to produce celestial bodies. When celestial bodies are not available, availability of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, and soil medium is an insulation. What it is needed? It is needed was a space food delivered to space stations and other limited is labor and financially intensive. The idea of producing food in five is quite alluring due to the expense of labor and financially intensive. The idea of producing food in five is alluring due to the restocking and impossibility of resupplying the planetary missions. So we can plan to utilize to use a water recycle wastewater and continuously filter the air and spacious abroad the space station spaceship and space agriculture makes the potential initial to the agriculture farming on Earth and it leads to sustainable development.
The conclusion of my project is to implement the children's knowledge and to improve the question skills because today's students are the future scientists. Hence, I recommended this project to implement the irrigation system in space. Thank you to one and all.